After we had talked about the previous part, we talked magnetic induction. We're going to move on to this thing called magnetic domains. I think there's something that you must have heard before. If we got a magnet here, we chop it into half, what's going to happen? It will turn into two mini magnets. A north, a south, a north, a south. We can actually chop this up some more. And what it is going to produce is, you're going to get an even smaller magnet. North, south, north, south, north, south, north, south. And you can chop it up, you can continuously chop, 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 chop. Okay, let's write it again, and go chop, chop, chop. Okay, and you will reach the atomic level. We talk about this one is still a life size, but we can chop it up so small that it comes to the atomic level, where it's so small. And these little magnets, okay, little magnets of atomic size is what we call your magnetic domains. Okay, what is so important about this? In actual fact, if I got a magnetic bar here, okay, my magnetic bar, magnet, it's actually made up of many, many small domains. So if I can zoom in on this part, you will see that, okay, zoom in on this part here, you'll see that there are many, many small magnets. The arrow represents the alignment of each of these magnets. Okay, now, for a bar like this to become a magnet, most of them must point in the general direction. You can see that the magnetic domains are all generally pointing to the right, and it creates a north pole here. Wherever the domain point to, it becomes the north pole, and the other end is the south pole. Okay, as long as they are generally aligned in a certain direction, it will become a magnet. Okay, now, what if all of them are aligned very nicely? So you have all of them all pointing to the right. Very, very nicely. We said that, okay, this magnet here has reached a magnetic saturation. It means that the strength of the magnet, or the strength of the magnet, strength, okay, it is at a maximum strength. Right? The strength of the magnet is at its maximum. So it is very, very strong. So when we talk about magnetic domains here, we talk about they are little magnets of atomic size. And when they are totally aligned, or when they are aligned in a general direction, it creates the magnet. Now, if they are all aligned in the same direction, we talk about it being magnetic saturation, and this is where it has its maximum strength. So this is it for magnetic domains.